What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. I hope you're all doing great. In this video we're going to do a price prediction and price analysis on another crypto. This time we'll do it on Fantom on the 4-hour time frame, the pair against USDT on Binance. Fantom has been trending quite a bit in the last couple of days, but also before that has seen some very big bullish moves. And yeah, overall it just seems very promising. So the last time I did an analysis and price prediction of Fantom, I think it was like 1.5 weeks ago. I cannot remember how that went, but I think the prediction was quite right. And now we've actually seen another or quite some bullish momentum in the price. So I thought to update that price prediction in this video, basically sketching out two different scenarios again, which I think are most likely. So the first scenario is, what we can see right here is a very bullish pennant, and the first scenario basically is that another bull move will happen. Basically the breakout out of this pennant will cause that bull move. It has already broken out of the 2.45 resistance area, which is quite a strong resistance area. It has broken out, as you can see, quite a lot of bullish momentum, went back for it, got the retest, and is now going up again, and it's already breaking out of the pennant a little bit, but I do not feel like it has broken out of it quite yet completely. You can also see, if you draw this fib, that the price is actually sitting at the minus 0.236 level. So it either could go down a little bit, find support again at the trend line, possibly at around 2.55, and maybe get some some small candles, and after that, when it breaks through, I think we can see another bullish move up. I mean, Fantom fundamentally is a very good crypto. It's trending, so a lot of people are looking into it. So I definitely think there's room for another such bull run, and I think the next real resistance, but that's mainly based on the psychological key level on which it found resistance the last few times. I think will be around 3.4, but to be honest, that would be an all-time high, so it's always difficult to predict those things. But like when you look at this stopped at 2.4. I think 1.4 has shown resistance too, or has shown to be a key level too. So that's what I'm basing it on. That's the first scenario, so basically that it will break out of this pennant to the upside. A second scenario is, I think that as we saw with this bullish move, that it might go down a little bit and consolidate a little bit, accumulate more capital, accumulate more trend, and that it eventually will go up. So then it would find resistance at ultimately 2.8, maybe find some support at this trend line, so at the 2.55 support level, but ultimately I think then in this scenario that it will break through. It will definitely find support at 2.44. If it does not, that's a problem. If it goes straight through 2.44, that's very bearish in my opinion, but to be honest, I just don't see that happening. So ultimately, I do think that it could go through, and that a range will form in this area. Probably, if I needed to draw it, I would say it would be like this, but that's also difficult to really predict. But I do think that that's the second scenario, so that it goes into a consolidation, into a range, into an accumulation phase, whatever you want to call it, and that ultimately it takes some time to accumulate and to consolidate, and then ultimately it will go up again. Again, I think the next real resistance then would be 3.4, but maybe more in the future we will have more price action and indicators to tell us another resistance area, but then I would really need to update this price prediction again. This price prediction is for the next couple of days, possibly weeks. So if you have any questions about this price prediction and analysis, please let me know down in the comments. I might have went through it a little bit too fast, so any questions down in the comments, I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.